Jiangsu Kangdian Engineering Technology Company Limited is a leading enterprise dedicated to the research, development, and manufacturing of foundation piling machinery. The company is located at number 19, Fangfu 3rd Road, Anfang Town, Dongtai City, Jiangsu Province, China. With many years of professional experience in the piling machinery industry, Jiangsu Kangdian Engineering Technology Company Limited continues to build upon proven technologies while driving continuous innovation. Through these efforts, the company consistently enhances product performance, strengthens brand credibility, and earns the trust and recognition of clients both in China and around the world. Our products are widely used across more than 20 provinces and cities in China. They are also exported to Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and other international markets. In 2016, the company established PT, KANGDING KONSTRUKSI Indonesia in Indonesia to undertake the Yancheng Engineering Technology Research Center project, further expanding its global presence. Our main product lines include a full range of advanced piling and drilling equipment designed for various foundation construction applications. Each product is engineered with precision, durability, and efficiency in mind. They provide reliable solutions for foundation construction and infrastructure projects worldwide. We sincerely welcome friends and partners from all over the world to visit Jiangsu Kangdian Engineering Technology Company Limited for business cooperation and mutual development.